Hello everyone, welcome back. As you have seen in previous video regarding reflection architecture pattern, today we're gonna look into a reflection Jupyter Notebook code, how to implement within a simple example. As I stated previously, reflection is like an human reviews and refine their work. As an AI agent can be designed to critique its own work and output and makes an improvement. As you can see here, previous architecture pattern we discussed, and this also I provided a YouTube link here within the notebook. And I'll share the source code information as part of YouTube content. So as regular my other code walkthroughs, you can see here my initial setup has been done and running my LLM inference on my local. And the first step here, I'm validating my service is up and running. You can see that output. And this is where I'm defining my chain of components. The initial setup, you can see here, I'm setting a description of the product, and it's going to be looking into a generation of a chain. As I stated here, it's a simple, it's write a short story, and it's going to explore more critic. And I defined a critic chain here, and you can see this entire code base. And I have a refinement chain based on my critic and my original prompt. And this is where I'm defining my full reflection chain. As you can see here, I have a generation chain, critic chain, and refinement chain, I called out. And this is where I'm running my chain entire stuff, the full reflection chain invoke, and I define my product detail, some text, and which is sent to my final or a full reflection chain to invoke with the details. So this chain, full reflection chain, invokes my three of prompts chains. You can see here as I defined, generation a chain, which generating a story, and then I'm defining a critic here, then refinement. So once all these three are executed and the output is defined here, I'm just printing my fine-tuned chain response. So if you want to explore this part, just comment the line where I defined a critic and run it and see how the response is going to be. As we stated in the architecture diagram, if I go back here, you can see here, I have an agent and I have a reflection. It's running within my entire full chain. And then that's where it's going to give me an output. As it stated previously, the reflection creates a feedback loop and generate, critic, and refine. Right? As it aligns with an architectural best practice, balancing quality, reliability, and customer trust. This is how earn trust while delivering the results. The reflection pattern makes AI more fast responder. It makes it thoughtful one by reviewing and improving its own work. I hope this is you found helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And join me next time as we continue exploring the building blocks of intelligent, reliable AI systems.